Basically, the throwaway economy and global warming. We've all been seeing how global temperatures are at an all-time high. Wildfires in Europe, bushfires all across USA, low rainfall, global drought conditions, skyrocketing temperatures. And our favorite culprits, fossil fuels and pollution, aren't the only ones to blame. Welcome to the throwaway economy, a major reason why the planet is heating up faster than an egg yolk on a summer sidewalk. Disposable is the name of the game. We have a use and throw perspective about most things in life. So let's just understand what TAE or the throwaway economy is basically about. And yes, climate change is real. Just FYI. What is TAE? Essentially, all our consumer goods only last for a short period of time. When they stop working, we literally throw them away and replace them with new goods. This category includes nearly all electronic goods. Computers, phones, watches, music system, medical devices, TVs, modems, etc. Also included are packing materials, gift wrappings, thermocol, single-use plastic items. Globally, 50 million tons of e-waste is produced every year, and not even 10% of this is recycled or recovered. Just Amazon itself as company makes 7 billion deliveries every year and uses 600 million pounds of plastic, all of which is going into landfills, forests and oceans and will be around for the next 200 years. How did we get here? So, just a few decades ago, people drank milk from bottles, not Tetra Paks. Food was eaten out of steel and ceramic utensils, not styrofoam plates. Fast food didn't exist, neither did disposable packaging. Cars, radios, gramophones, and even TVs were repaired, not replaced. The throwaway economy developed somewhere around the 1970s. Consumerism was growing globally, corporates were really ramping up scale, mass production was booming. The hazards of technology were not clearly understood. Societally, we became dependent on products and a lifestyle that was intrinsically not sustainable. And governments, as usual, were too late to either understand or build safeguards for the fallout of this future. From things becoming built to last, things became built to be junked, built in obsolescence. So whether it's electronics or fashion or even pharmaceuticals, built-in obsolescence is part of the business model of every manufacturer today. Made with a clear expiry, most products are deliberately designed to last for the minimum number of years that consumers are willing to accept, without throwing a shit fit. And then these products have to be thrown away and replaced. Some of the many ways this plays out is when you see a do not tamper sign on electronic devices so you never end up getting it repaired. Or even best before dates on pharmaceuticals, which will prompt the consumer to throw the medicines away and replace them. In most cases, expiry dates are built with the same intent of making the product obsolete. When actually an FDA study has proven that 90% of over-the-counter drugs maintain their efficacy and potency years after the printed expiry dates. But overall, we have become used to replacement from a mass user behavior point of view. We replace medicines, phones, cars, chargers, TVs, etc. at a really fast pace. And that's what we need to take a breath to think about. So, at a basic level, that's what the throwaway economy is basically about. How replacing is more dangerous than repairing and reusing, and how an expiry date is not about consumer good, but inculcating the habit of replacement. So, if you want to know more about the things we could be doing to ensure that we don't tank the world real soon, then go watch our next video now. What do you think can be done to change the perspective of remove and replace? The world can actually be made a better place, one repair at a time. Basically out.